Geehy launches the 200-volt half-bridge motor gate driver GHD144xT. The Geehy GHD144xT integrates a bootstrap diode in a compact SOP8 package, reducing PCB area and cost while improving design flexibility. Supports 5.5 volt to 20 volt supply and 3.3 volt 5 volt logic, with 200 volt floating offset and built-in pull-down resistors for stable output and reliable motor drive. Peak source current 1.6 ampere, 15 volt, 35 nanosecond fall time with 3.3 nanofarad load. Peak sink current 1.3 ampere, 15 volt, 55 nanosecond rise time with 3.3 nanofarad load. High peak drive currents improve switching speed, reduce losses, and increase system efficiency. Built-in 230 nanosecond dead time and protection features prevent shoot-through and low-voltage operation, while strong DV/DT immunity ensures stable performance. Supports flexible control of high-side and low-side outputs via input signals. It is widely used in e-mobility, power tools, garden tools, and cleaning devices. The GHD144xT motor gate driver is now available.